Hello everybody, and today we are unboxing some Pokemon cards.
Sun and Moon?
Yeah. I like this packaging. Looks cool.
Okay.
And I'm going to go for this pack first. There we go. And, ooh, got this Pokemon.
Hold on, let me see if I can focus on the name. And of course I can't get it. What does it say?
Stuffle.
Okay.
And I got this guy.
Yeah, I'm not. Sorry, Connor. Just keep going.
Sandile.
And I have this guy.
Let's see if Daddy can say them.
Wishy-washy.
Okay, go on to the next one.
And this is the last one. And yeah.
Okay.
And on to the next pack. Ooh. We got this one.
Togedemaru.
You can tell these come from another country.
And we got this one again.
Move it over this way.
Back
Oh, back it up. Back it up. But that's a shiny one, a foil card.
Wishy-washy.
Yeah, but that one's a foil card. This one wasn't. Okay.
And we have this one. I have no clue what these ones do.
Let's see. Let me read it. Switch.
Switch. Switch your active Pokemon with one of your benched Pokemon.
Ooh. And
See, Mommy never played Pokemon. Mommy played Magic the Gathering.
And we're on to the last pack. And this one.
I bring this one next.
And we got this one again.
Oh. Okay. He looks like a little fox almost.
Yeah. Ooh.
Stuffle.
And we got this one.
Chinchou.
Yep.
And we got. I seen these guys in an episode of Pokemon.
Team Skullgrunt.
Okay.
And that's all I have for today, everybody. And please subscribe and like. And bye.